I'm Heather Kaye, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a high vibe biz and life coach for female online creative entrepreneurs. On my channel, you will find videos on how to raise your vibration and effortlessly attract the life and biz that you love. You'll also find tips on how to create an online biz, time management, motivation, and my fave techie tools, plus so much more. My high vibe biz and life videos post every Wednesday at 8 AM CST every single week. Be sure to click subscribe for new content and hit the bell in order to receive notifications when every video drops. As an energetic healer, I'm also able to help you find out what is your biggest limiting belief and energetic blockage stopping you from attracting the life that you desire. You'll also find videos on the chakra system and how you can use your chakras to create that balance that you're searching for in your life and biz. Occasionally, you may find some tarot videos and oracle cards, since they're also another tool of mine that I use to help my clients clear energetic blockages. My passion for all things vibration and intuition naturally bubbled up from being a lifetime career violinist. Being surrounded by vibration all my life has allowed me to be super sensitive to vibration and interpreting vibration and finding truth in vibration. In the last 10 years, I have coached thousands of violinists all over the world and helped them achieve major breakthroughs in their violin journey. I was teaching violin online before online teaching was cool. My gorgeous tone and violin technique made simple tutorials post every Sunday at 11 AM CST. Now, I may occasionally throw in some extra violin tutorials, and they'll post on Fridays at 9 AM CST. I'm so grateful for my 15,000 subscribers and want to say thank you to every one of you for following me. And I'm so excited to be sharing my other passions with you to help create your high vibe life. I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below this video and introduce yourself. And until I see you in the next video, sending you tons of high vibes your way. Ciao!